What makes you think that you won't change within 5 to 10 years? Now here's a fun fact. Our body produces about 330 million cells in just one day. That's daily, one day. In about 7 to 10 years, every single one of those cells would have been replaced with a new one. And I know that might sound random, but our body can replace itself in 7 to 10 years. So why do you think that you can't change as a person? Maybe mentally, maybe physically. I mean, technically, physically, we already are. But what makes you think that you can't get to the places where you want to be? What makes you think that you can't become an entire different person? The person that you want to be, the person that you were meant to be, the person that God has put you on this earth to be. You can be that person. Now, is it easier said than done? Yes. But one of my favourite quotes is nothing hard or nothing, how does the quote go? Nothing great ever becomes easy. So I also believe that in order to become great, to have greatness within you, or to be great at something, or to just be the best version of yourself, to just be the person that you want to be, it is going to take time. A thing that a lot of people go, oh well, of course it's going to take time, and it might sound boring, but that journey of time is just so exciting because there's so much things that we are learning. That's the great thing about time. A lot of people sleep on time, literally. But within time, within the journey of something, not only does time happen, but there's a lot of things that happen within that time. Skills are made, skills are amplified, skills are strengthened, minds start to strengthen as well. And going back to the fact about the cells, you are literally not the same physical person as you were 10 years ago. So a lot can happen within 10 years. If you're producing 330 million cells every single day, and within 10 years all of those cells can change, then I'm sure so can we, in terms of our mindsets, in terms of our perspective, how we see things, how we do things. A lot can happen in 2 years, near mind 10 years. A lot can happen in 1 year actually. A lot can happen in 6 months. And a lot can happen in 9 months as well. I know people in my family that have went from not having a baby to 9 months later having a baby, having a child. So much can happen even in 9 months. Someone's life can change. And one thing that I am constantly telling myself as well is to not underestimate what I can do. Whether it is doing something in a certain amount of time, or whether it is just in general. Don't underestimate my potential, our potential. Because what I've learned, experiencing life, going after my goals and dreams. Right now I would say I'm going after my dream, and I'm doing it, I'm achieving it. And for me, I think that just starts with how I move forward. How am I thinking? What am I thinking about? What am I doing to help me move forward, to get to those places eventually where I want to go and do the things that I want to experience? I think about that quite a lot, thinking about ways and thinking and coming up with solutions to help me make those steps and do the things that I want to do. So I hope that this video could help you in any type of way. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you could please like this video, subscribe down below, and if you know anyone that may benefit from watching this, then I would very much appreciate it if you could please share this video to them. Thank you so much, and I will see everyone in the next one.